Hi family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to know. So fam, today we're gonna be doing the very requested pepper sauce for grilled fish. Let's get right into the recipe. So fam, just to let you know that the spices that you see that are whole, like especially the African spices, I have all of them blended. So fam, the first thing we're going to be doing in this recipe is to blend everything. Chop your spices, you put them in the blender and then put even the dried spices together and then blend them until you have a fine paste. After blending your spices, use a saucepan or a pot of your choice and just pour it and let it gently simmer for about 15 minutes before you put the oil. So fam, in this recipe I actually use just one habanero pepper because the ones I have are very hot. You don't want your pepper sauce to be too hot again that you cannot be able to eat. So just put a little bit at a time and make sure you taste once you've blended it to see if it's enough or you need to add more. And then also the oil also helps it like to calm the hotness. So if it's too hot, you could add more oil. And there we go fam, our pepper sauce is ready. You could serve it hot or you could preserve it in the freezer. But when preserving it in the freezer, make sure you put it in little containers so that you could use one at a time. Thank you so much family for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. And also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that when I post a video, you will be the first to know. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.